Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Semret Russom. Super excited to have you back. Today is, of course, another motivational and wellness Monday, and I'm excited to have you back. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and also hit the bell button. Every time I upload a new video, you are notified. And we have a visitor today. It's Delina. All right, guys, let's get into the program. Alright guys, today I'm super excited. As you can see the title, it's gonna be how to make a vision board, and so I want to walk you through my vision board and the things that I'm gonna incorporate, and some stuff I had in the house, and so I'm kind of recycling pictures. So anything that really what resonates with you, and you could just create it in a picture form. So I wanted to share with you guys how you could create at home your own vision board. And this is literally, I was just telling my friend Ray, like my wedding ring is exactly the same thing that I had on my vision board. It's kind of creepy. But so you want to be choosing the things that you love, right? The things that you want in your life, whether it's love, education, career, businesses, family, I don't know, travel, like lifestyle, what you wanted, really, a house. All those things are what you would want them. If you can have something, you know how you make like, oh, I wish I can have this kind of lifestyle. That's what basically what it is. It means that something that you love so much, and then you just find pictures that resonate with you, and you put it, scissor, glue, and a picture frame. And that's what vision board is. So today I'm gonna do it in front of you guys to show you what I put on my vision board. And not everything that I wanted is gonna be on this vision board. I still don't have the picture. Some pictures I can't find it yet. So that's what it means. Like sometimes there are certain things that you wanted. It's not like, it doesn't have to be. You could also do words and pictures and your own images, and I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to use my own picture, my family pictures, because I want them to be in my vision board, right? Because it's like everything that I love is going to be on the vision board. So I'm going to share with you guys. Hope you don't mind. The little one is in here. She's going to be hopefully quiet if not. So I'm going to need, if you're going to do a vision board, you're going to need either glue like this or tape, and also scissor, because you want to be able to cut the images to your liking, how you want them to be. And I also have like this, oops, sorry about that, something like this or bigger. So however you want it. I want to frame it in a picture frame. So this was my picture frame, so I took it out so I can use it. And I want to be able to see it in a, you know, everyday places. So I want it kind of to look pretty. So I used to have it in like my old one. Let me grab it. Hold on one second. It was like, see, I still have some stuff. So it was kind of like this. So it's not like, you know, that cute. So today I have this frame. I also have this glass, which is a little dirty. I have to clean it afterwards, but you get the idea. So you want to be able to put it however you like, really. This is just what I want to do. So I want to share with you guys. And the idea is that you want to be able to attract things that you want in life, whether it's money, whether it's, you know, career, anything that you want, a baby, like, you know. So all those things that you wanted, you want to put it in here. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And we're gonna start. So of course we have lots of pictures. And Dylan, are you gonna help mommy? Are you gonna help mommy? So I wanna have another baby. So I love this picture of us with Robert, and it's me being pregnant. So I want that picture. And I also want my mother to come to America, so I want her here with me. So I also have my mother's picture, and I have this beautiful house I just love the way the stairs and just everything about this inside of a house. So I have that. I have closet. I love this bedroom. I want this car, so I'm gonna wish this to happen. And I also want to reach my YouTube channel to grow up to 12K by the end of the year. Wishful thinking? I don't know, maybe, but you know, anything is possible with God. Okay? So, by the way, everything that I put in here, it's not outside of God. I believe that God gave me the ability to dream. There's no lack of anything when it comes to God. God gives us everything we ever ask Him. So I don't want you to think this is like some random stuff. I like literally, you can pray about it. You can also put it in a picture. So it's the same thing to me. That's how I take it. So I ask God to, you know, fulfill my dream of whatever things materialistic it is, or like anything in life really. Okay, so, and then I also have like, this was from my old vision board. I love traveling. I want to do more traveling together, happy together as a family, as you know, my husband and I. Yes, baby, here, do you want this? You can have this one. And I would love to travel to Greece. I have that. Fly private. I don't know, why not? Anything's possible. And live your best life. I just love that. Like, it doesn't really matter what it is. I want to live my best life. Meaning, like, I just want everything that I ever wanted. I want to live this earth and feeling fulfilled and whatever that is. I just love that word. Anyways, yeah. And I have, you know, balanced luxury with livable. I like things, but I don't like. Is it a mommy? Yeah. I like to have comfortable lifestyle. I want to be able to. Oh yeah. How's it going, Delina? What is that? So yeah, so things that, you know, sometimes we want to wish for something, but I want to be able to, whatever I attract, I want to be happy in it. Is it a house? Is it anything that I want in my life? I just want to enjoy it. I want it to feel comfortable. I want it to feel me. I want it to have my friends and family. You know, like, that's what I mean. So, and I love, I want a bigger kitchen with a open concept. I keep saying that to I think it's every woman's dream. I want a bigger kitchen. Our kitchen is fine for now, but our next home, I would love to have a bigger kitchen. And, you know, and then of course, a bigger closet. So I love this closet. Is a bit much actually. I've got this on Pinterest, by the way. You can find so many pictures on Pinterest or Google. That's actually the best pictures to find. And I want our next home to have big windows and lots of light, you know, coming inside, natural light. And I love this laundromat. I don't know why, but I just love how simple this is and also clean. I don't know, organized. Yeah, so we are gonna be putting pictures together, and I just want to kind of share with you. And this, honestly, let me share with you, when I first did it, and I think I told you guys in my previous video, is that I was in my lowest time of my life and I didn't have a whole lot. I was recently divorced. I was like struggling in life and I didn't have much happening in my life per se at that time, but I had hope and dreams that is not it for me. You know, I just felt like there was something greater than what I was going through. So I was going through a YouTube channel and I saw this lady doing it and I was like, why not? I have nothing to lose. It's just cutting out pictures and putting it on a board, right? So that's exactly what I mean. You don't have to have, you could just be on your worst time in your life, or you just feel like, oh God, this is not gonna, just do it anyways. Get creative, whatever you want, and put it out there. Whatever is that your heart desires, do it. I promise you, you'll be shocked. And I always want to emphasize to make sure that you do it in a way that feels good for you, that you want something in your life. Because I feel like I couldn't live my life for other people's lifestyle. Does it make sense? Like, you want to make sure that it feels good to you and not to your mom, dad, sister, family member, anything. What feels good to you? What do you want out of life, you know? So that's what I mean. Yeah. Are you ready, Delina? Are you gonna help mommy? So let's put our family in the middle. I love this picture so much, you guys. So I'm gonna center that first. So I wanna put it right here because family is everything to me. So I love my family so much and I wanna put it in the middle. So I'm just gonna put some glue like that. I don't know. There's no right or wrong way of doing glue, does it? Delu, what do you think? Are you gonna help mommy? So I wanna put it in the center. Thank you, my love. You're so helpful. You are helpful, Delina. See, you can also do this with your kids. If you have teenagers, you guys can. Yeah. You wanna do it? Thank you, Delu. If anything comes true, you guys, I will share, which I know it will happen. It's not that it won't happen. I have faith in God that anything is possible. Why not me? And why not you? You deserve to have anything happy, successful life, right? Why not? There's nothing lack of God. God is so abundant. We are supposed to live. We are supposed to live abundantly. Yep, that's right, Delu. Yes, we're supposed to live our best life. So, and also I'm gonna put this picture. I told you guys I wanna have another baby, so I'm gonna put that in there. All right, so that's that. You guys, I have this card that I purchased a long time ago in 2000, I wanna say 16, 17. And I thought I was looking for a birthday gift card, and I saw this and I was like, oh my God, this is what I want. I want this to be, you know, the man that I wanted in my life. Honestly, my husband is that. He is, you know, my dream man. And he's also like, it's just everything that I envision on my vision board, that he is that person. He's loving and kind. And that's what you want to put. If you want a healthy relationship, then that's your idea of healthy relationship, your idea of like success and whatever that is. Honestly, you can put everything there, right? So I'm just placing the photos and kind of like see if I like them or not, the way I place them. I'm also, like I said, I'm recycling pictures that I had in the past and some new ones. So I was sharing with my friend Ray as far as like people who does this. One of them is, of course, Oprah, right? I heard her say she doesn't do vision board anymore, which she used to. She does it in her head. Isn't that amazing that she is able to manifest anything she wants using like in her mind? Like that is power right there, that she is able to do that. And she is one of the people that I will want to meet one day. She inspires me so much, like for all of us, I'm sure. Not just as a woman, but as a Black woman. She's incredibly, I don't know, I'm inspired by her as long as I can remember. And so she continues to inspire me. So I love listening to her interviews. I love just, you know, I don't know, I just love listening to Oprah. She's one of many people that I listen to. Another person is Lisa Ray. And wow, what a story, right? She's awesome too. I love listening to Lisa because one of the things that I want to do is travel, meeting people, sharing my story. I want to do like motivational speaking to inspire people, and especially women, and especially young women, anyone really. But that's like really my ultimate dream besides fitness, right? Fitness is a way of inspiring women. to be healthier and do the best that they can be as women and to stay healthy. But I think for me is that would be my ultimate dream, is to become motivational speaking, so traveling basically. That's what I want. So I have this old picture of Oprah that I found. I want a new one. I'm gonna replace it, but she's basically speaking to all the women. So I envision myself doing the same thing. And like I said, she inspires me so much on so many levels. So I wanna meet a lot of women and share my journey in life, and to inspire them to not give up, and that anything is possible. So this is one of many ways of me sharing with you guys, but my ultimate true dream would be to travel and then speak to women. Okay, so Oprah is going on my vision board. Yes, so what I'm doing right now is obviously just placing it to see if I like it, the way it looks. Maybe I'll put this one here. Dreaming is free, okay? So don't limit yourself. Why not? So anyways, so that's the next goal of mine. Of course, I want to grow my business. I want to become, a mommy again. I'm just saying, like, there's no limit to really what you can put on your vision board. Whatever you desire, is it small, big, it doesn't really matter. I just feel like there is no limit when it comes to dreaming. But it's not even about dreaming, honestly. It's about being realistic sometimes to your goal and your life, right? I'm not gonna be Oprah, like that's just, but I wanna be able to inspire people on a smaller scale of like what I feel like I could do, right? I'm not dreaming to be her. That is her, like her, God chose her to be where she's at in life. So I feel like she is my inspiration to do good in the world, to give back to people, to spread positivity, to teach my journey in life that I went through, to inspire, so that way, and I feel like that's really what God calls us to do, is to share. And the biggest fulfillment to me, it's not materialistic really. It's about how I can change people's life. How can I empower someone, on a deeper level? That's fulfillment to me. Materialistic stuff, you can have anything you want, and that doesn't. It feels good temporary, but at the end of the day, I want to do beyond just getting things, getting materialistic stuff. So for me, my dream truly would be to inspire people on a bigger scale, to change their lives, to inspire them. So we'll see what God has in plan for me, and that's what I want to do. Yep, so I told you guys I got this years ago, and exactly that's, it's just, he's the man of my dream. So everyone out there, there's somebody out there for everyone, so don't feel like there's nobody there for you. You only need one man and one woman, I mean. So if love is what you want, put it there, and what kind of love do you want? What kind of relationship? What kind of marriage do you want? What kind of family do you want? So whatever that you want, put it there, okay? Cut pictures, and don't ever chase anybody. What's not yours, it's not meant for you to have, okay? I always believe that nothing should be forced, right? It should be just naturally come to you. Like, it should feel so good in your heart. It shouldn't feel like it's not, like you're not gonna keep this forever. It should feel like, okay, this is what I want. And when you get it, you know it, right? I knew when I met my husband. I didn't know it then immediately, but once we started dating, I just felt like I knew that he is my future. I knew that he is the man that I've been praying for. So don't give up on love. Keep that vision board. Okay, so all right, so I'm just looking for pictures to place them. I want to go Paris. I have not been to Paris, so I'm gonna, oh, actually I have it here already. I want to go to France. So since I already have that small picture, I don't need this, obviously. And I want to travel, so I have this. And let's see. So this might be a little small of a board for me. I might have to move it. We'll see. But maybe I'll just do this to show you guys for the sake of this video. It's just an idea. Obviously, you can have as many as you want to, picture-wise, as big as you want it to. So there's no limit really, because this does not fit in everything that I wanted in life. So just so that you know, like, this is all pictures. Oh yeah, so that, and I want to cut this because I want a big ceilings with a big windows, our next home. So I don't know where it is. I don't really care, but I know it's gonna come. The how, I just let God take care of it, okay? So, but see, I love how this big window opens up. And I'm gonna put that right there next to each other. Okay, all right. It's coming. You guys, I wanna share this photo. I also had this vision on my vision board. It's one of the old one. It's a pink baby, what is it called? Crib. And it is crazy, but including the chair, the drawer that you see, the same thing, I have it in my house. Now I put this on my vision board. I didn't know that I was gonna have a girl. And then it didn't even hit me until afterwards. And I was like, oh my God, I have a girl and I have the same thing on this vision board. And of course I don't have the design of it, but this, I like to the T. So, you know, you don't know. Like, I didn't know that I didn't know at that time that I was looking to have a girl. I just loved the way it looks, and I knew that I wanted a baby. Doesn't make sense? So, but end up having a girl. Is it coincidence? I don't know, but it sure is beautiful. Now, like, there's some things that I'm missing. I want to have, you know, other stuff, but like I said, I'm just putting it to show you guys how you guys can, if you want to do this, how you guys could do it and make it fun. If you have, you know, kids, make them participate, make it like a family thing. So gather pictures, and this could be a fun way to kind of connect with your family or your loved one, even your husband or your boyfriend. You guys can make each for each other, or just, you guys could just do it. So try it. And if it comes true, then, you know, you continue to do other stuff. And also, while you do this vision board, I'll talk later too, but, and look at it often. So don't just like forget about it. You can, but remind yourself to look at it as often as you can. So that way your goal and your aspiration, you're staying focused into like achieving them, right? Like making a check mark, saying, okay, I got this, I got that, I have to work towards it. So this is kind of to motivate you to be focusing on to your ultimate goal, to get the things that you have on the board, right? So yeah, remind yourself to do that. Look at it as much as you can, and don't be embarrassed. Like, put it somewhere visually that you can see it, by your bedroom or bathroom, wherever it is that you go often, put it somewhere there so you can see it. So that way when you pass by, you see your dream, right? Then you're inspired to even get there faster. Sooner, I should say, right? Live your best life. I love this. Yes, yes, and yes, and yes. We should all live our best life. You know what I mean? And then money, because money is important. It's not everything, but that's what makes life easier. So I would like to have more money. I can help my family, not just my family here. Like most diaspora, I help my family in Eritrea. So I want to be able to help my family. And also if I have more money, I'm able to do more things in the world, give back to communities that need, people in my life, or, do more things back home and here. So money will go here too. We got family, another potential pregnancy. You guys, I say potential pregnancy because I'm just so content and blessed what I have now that I know if I get pregnant again, it's another huge blessing. So I am never gonna be disappointed if I don't get pregnant again. You know what I mean? So I'm content with what I have, my beautiful daughter. So I don't know why, but I love this watch. It's Rolex. I had it in my old vision board. I'm gonna put that back here. You can use, you can put basically what you want. I was sharing with Ray, my wedding ring was the same wedding ring. Robert didn't even know until he gave it to me that it was the same ring in my vision board. I promise you, some things are so amazing how it's just to the T. I have my car that I wanted, it was in my vision board. So you can put cars, you can put apartments or house, whatever that you want, you can put it there. Travel, family. So you get the idea of vision board, right? So I think this is enough for now. I'm gonna just glue this stuff down. So that way you guys can kind of see the fun part begin. And, excuse me. Oh, take control of your destiny. I love that. Live your passion. So I want this, which is so true because I think that's key. We all need to live our passion. It's important. All right, guys, I am closing it to show you guys what it looks like. Also if you want a picture frame, if you want to try this, also, pass me this so I can show that. The other stuff that you could do is do a picture frame like this. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, but also you can get stuff like this where you can make a vision board. I got this at the Office Depot. It's under $10, I believe. It's not really expensive. So you can use that, and you can also go any thrift store or Goodwill, where you could just get an old picture frame and use that, or you could just purchase. So here is my vision board. What do you guys think? So I have my family, I want another pregnancy, I have YouTube, money, my mom, I want to obviously speak in public, become motivational speaker. I have car, travel, I want to have control of my destiny, I want to have a big kitchen, my next home, travel, like I said, and so I have money and live your best life. So you can choose however you want to make your vision board, and this is just an example what I was talking about. And so so this is what vision board is, okay? And I hope you guys like this. So I had fun making it for you guys, because I had people saying, some people didn't know what vision board was, and so I thought I should just make it for you guys. So this is my vision board, and I will share with you guys if some of the stuff is coming true or not. And by the way, some stuff doesn't come overnight. So I want you to be patient with yourself too. Making a vision board is one way of reaching your goal, but also being patient and moving forward every single day towards your actual goal and then you have the picture to help you focus on what you wanted and what you desire in your life, right? And so that's what it means. It's kind of like a guide. Use this as like, okay, this is really what I want in my life, therefore I need to work on this. So that's what it means, like to kind of give you a guide. It's like, you know, you have a car driving it, instead of going to the left, go to the right, stay focused. You get the idea. So that is a vision board, you guys. It was so fun making it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And this is, you know, to motivate you guys. I share this, you know, to kind of, you know, hopefully you guys can practice doing it at home. Like I say, with your loved ones or you're by yourself. You don't have to also share your vision board with people if you don't want to. You just keep that be like part of you and say, okay, this is what I wanted for myself. Or you can also make it fun. Invite your girlfriends and have people that you love and say, hey, let's make a vision board. Why not, right? So make it be a fun thing if you want that. So I am done with my vision board. So I actually like it. It turned out pretty cool. What do you guys think? Do you like it? If you do, let me know in the comment. I want to grow my YouTube channel. I want to grow this community that I'm building with you guys. And that is one of my goals, is to get over 10,000. This just helps me. I feel like the platform of YouTube is just international, right? So we can share people not just in the state, but all over the world. Wouldn't that be amazing to create a community? We can support one another, we can inspire one another. And that's key, really. The life that we have is how can we be a service of others, right? So I always feel that way. How can I give back? How can I share my life with someone to inspire? How can I share something to help someone? So if you feel like you don't know what you want out of life, just think about what can you offer someone else other than yourself, right? So how can I inspire people? What do you want to do to help someone else, right? We all work towards getting some financial gain, but that's the last thing, really. Think about servicing others, giving to others. That's where the money is going to come to you, right? So don't think about, I have to get the money. Like, you know, that's going to come, but look into your passion, look into like what you love. Because if you do what you love, if you do what you think is going to serve other people, help other people, and the money will come to you. So just think about your passion and what you want to do and put that in a vision board and work on it, sister, and you will get there, okay? So I am done with this. I am so excited that I was able to do this for you guys and share with you guys. And of course, I'm going to share more things to help all of us here. And so I'm all done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give thumbs up. And also, if you want me to improve anything, if you want to share other stuff with me, have you tried vision board before? If you do, let me know. Did it work for you? So I would love to hear from you guys. And yeah, I'm all done. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys. Till next time, take good care of yourself. And if you haven't subscribed, by the way, please do so. Leave me a comment, share, like, all that good stuff. It helps me out. And yeah, I'll speak to you guys in another video. Be kind to one another. Bye guys. Thank you.